18 tips for the hardest lessons they learned, and they vary from taco trucks to burger trucks and everything in between. We're going to go from number 18 down to number 1. The last two might be a bit surprising to you, or maybe not. Number 18, it's harder than it looks, but it's well worth it. So most actually repeated the lesson. Don't underestimate how physically and mentally demanding this business is. But if you love it, there's nothing like seeing a line of people waiting for your food. So if you have a passion for creating that food, and that's really the reason why you're getting into this business, keep that in mind, that between the mental and physical exertion, it is exhausting. Number 17, bookkeeping can sink you. Now, too many actually avoided tracking every penny, and then when it came to tax time, became a bit of a nightmare. The smart ones actually started using accounting apps, which they have now, early, and then stayed on top of their numbers throughout the year. Number 16, networking with other trucks actually pays off. Several had actually admitted that they tried to go it alone, but they later partnered with other trucks and got them invited to better events and even secured private